breaking news, slow jump on the screen. Interrupting your day like a wild dream. Benny Black on 7
Hey my beautiful family, you're welcome to my new video, my new vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is African Jojo, my channel name, and my name is Josephine, a Ugandan YouTuber here in Qatar. So thank you for watching my new video. If you're a returning subscriber, you are much appreciated. And if you're new to this channel, please, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing and commenting down below. Like the video and turn on the notification bell so that you don't forget whenever I upload. So that today's video, I'm taking you with me to meet my friends. It is Thursday. Yeah, the video I've recorded it Thursday, so I'm going to meet my friends, my workmates. Yeah, so on Thursday we normally go to the Grandi, so that's where I meet them. So come along with me, we go together, we see how the day it goes. Hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to tap on the subscription button and leave me a comment. What do you think about this video? See those beautiful streets of Qatar, the shops, and oh guys, you need to watch this. Keep watching and you see what I'm bringing for you: cookings, baking, and everything we enjoy whenever we meet. Whenever I meet my friends, everything is wow.
Josephine, Jojo brings the fire. Ugandan queen, no one higher. Cooking dishes that inspire. Funny love, she'll never tire. From the kitchen to the can, laughter spreads just like a jam. Every day she shares her plan, cooking tricks from frying pan. Every day a live stream, watch her glow, with a smile that steals the show. From Uganda, overflow, bringing heat we all know. Mix and spices, jokes on cue, each new dish a dream come true. Fans united out of blue, join the feast, it's Jojo's crew. Live stream blazing, can't resist. He's a gift you won't want missed. Cooking magic and a twist, Jojo's world come coexist. She's the queen of all cuisines, tech and tricks, her daily scenes. Endless fun, her energy beams. Life's a party, live your dreams. To the can, laughter spreads just like a jam. Every day she shares her plan, cooking tricks from frying pan. Every day a live stream, watch her glow, with a smile that steals the show. From Uganda, overflow, bringing heat we all know. Meat on mixing spices, jokes on cue. Each new dish a dream come true. Fans united out of blue, join the feast, it's Jojo's crew. Live stream blazing, can't resist. He's a gift you won't want missed. Cooking magic and and a twist. JoJo's world come coexist. She's the queen of all cuisines, taking tricks, her daily scenes. Endless fun, her energy beams. Life's a party, live your dreams. Live your dreams.
kubanga ekyokoze ensobi ntaddemu ice muteekemu mu giraasi yo. Cheers. Akadamu okubyogako tewasobola okukola. Zungazunga kyatumanyiira. Najola تعلم خلاص واجب بار من يبي انت معنا.
Josephine, Jojo brings the fire. Ugandan queen, the one higher. Cooking dishes that inspire. Funny vlogs, she'll never tire. From the kitchen to the camp, laughter spreads just like a jam. Every day she shares a plan, cooking tricks from frying pan. Everyday live stream, watch her glow, with a smile that steals the show. From Uganda, overflow, bringing heat beyond. Mixing spices, jokes on cue. Each new dish, a dream come true. Fans united, out of blue. Join the feast, it's JoJo's crew. Live stream blazing, can't resist. Heat's a gift, you won't want miss. Cooking magic and a twist. JoJo's world come coexist. She's the queen of all cuisines, taking tricks, her daily scenes. Endless fun, her energy beams. Life's a
Thank you guys if you have watched until this far. Yeah, you are doing a great job. So that was my friend making basmousa cake. I don't know how it is called in English, but it is Arabic name basmousa. Yeah, that's how it is. It was taken in the oven. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Thank you so much. Until next time. Ciao, ciao.
out of blue, bringing